In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Shopify 5 minutes. First, head to Shopify in your browser and sign into your store's admin. Once you're in, take a second to notice the layout. Your left sidebar is the main compass for everything you'll do. It holds links to each core area. The top area typically has search and quick access tools, which are great when you're in a hurry. Start on Home. This dashboard gives you a snapshot of your store. Recent sales, quick links to common tasks, and timely recommendations to help you move work forward. If you're just logging in for the day, use Home to scan for anything urgent, like unfulfilled orders or trending products, and jump straight into action. Next, open Orders. Here you'll see every order and its status. Use filters to focus on unfulfilled, unpaid, or open orders, and the search bar to find orders by customer, email, or number. Click into an order to review the timeline, print packing slips or labels if your workflow uses them, mark items as fulfilled, and issue refunds when needed. Keeping filters saved can speed up daily triage. Move to Products. This is where you manage your catalog. You can add new items, edit titles and descriptions, update pricing, and manage inventory levels and variants like size or color. If you need to make broad changes, the bulk editor is a time saver. Think updating prices or inventory across multiple products at once. Open Customers. This area lists your shoppers and their history, view profiles to see lifetime spend, past orders, and notes your team has added. Segments help you group customers like high value or recent purchases so you can target outreach and service more effectively. Go to Marketing. This is your hub for campaigns and automations. You can plan promotions, set up email workflows, and connect with supported channels. Use the performance summaries to see what's working and refine your messaging. Open Discounts. Create discount codes or automatic discounts. Define eligibility, set minimums, and control usage limits. Scheduling discounts in advance helps launches run smoothly, and testing a code on a draft order can confirm it behaves as expected. Head to Content. Manage blog posts, pages, and your files library. Upload images and documents here so they're easy to use across your store. Clear naming and alt text make content easier to find and more accessible. Go to Markets. If you sell in multiple regions, this is where you manage localization settings, currencies, and preferences for each market, helping shoppers see the right experience for where they are. Finally, open Analytics. Use dashboards to monitor traffic, sales, and conversion trends. Compare date ranges, dig into reports, and export data when you need deeper analysis. That's the core tour. Click through these sections regularly and you'll be moving confidently around Shopify in no time.